My video is about getting rid of the online scam related to the website Hijarenk.xyz. Hijarenk.xyz stands for a dangerous site that actually targets Google Chrome and other browsers. It basically tries to make you really scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you actually download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you ever see these pop-ups by the site Hijarenk.xyz, do not interact with them. Such pop-ups are totally fake and obviously deceptive. Don't tolerate them and leave this deceptive page. Now, to be convinced that your computer is free of any other threats, I would recommend you to research the system with the help of reliable antivirus. For instance, with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the program, and once it gets successfully installed, start investigating your computer in order to detect and then eliminate all other types of infections which could still possibly stealthily remain on your computer. So use Combo Cleaner antivirus in order to fully fix your Windows or other type of computer. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.